Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sophie, aka Philosophy Mama, and this is Dany.
Hi guys.
And Dany, what do you do?
I'm an intuitive space planner, so I help people create conscious, functional spaces through organization and design.
It is amazing and life-changing, and I use Dany all the time, at least monthly, to kind of come through our home, reorganize, give it some good vibes. And today I just wanted to bring her on because it's so nice to be able to share this gift with all of you and allow you to get some tangible tips on what you can do right now in your own closet.
Yeah, so today we're just going to look at Sophie's wardrobe rack, which is feeling a little bit cluttered, a little uninspiring, and streamline it, make it a space, even this, that's inviting for her to go to every day and get dressed.
This is more of a space where I come to get inspired of like currently things I'm loving. I want to make sure that my body feels good in the clothes that are on this rack. So that's what I use this rack for. So right now it's like a little overwhelming. There's like a lot happening here.
We've also got like different color hangers.
Yeah.
It's just kind of like visually a lot for the eye.
Yeah.
So we have some neutral hangers here. We're gonna streamline the entire space, make it look really nice.
Yay.
And the way we begin that process is essentially by taking everything off and starting from a clean slate.
Yep, so we'll take it all off.
So as we're moving through the rack, we ask a couple questions. Is this relevant to how you want to feel right now? Is this something you still even like? And then some pieces may look really worn and just sort of have seen better days. So we create different piles for different things. So maybe something that is just not the vibe right now will get hung up in the other closet over here. Something that we're ready to donate, we'll set aside in a different pile.
Yeah.
We create categories within by color. So it'll go like shortest to longest essentially. But instead of putting shirts together here, which will kind of break up the way that it looks in the flow of color, we'll keep black with black, and then you'll know that within each color there's different categories within it.
Perfect.
Another tip for when you're hanging shirts is to always go through the bottom of the shirt to avoid stretching out the neckline.
Ooh.
But for shirts like this that maybe you don't want to fold inside of your drawer because they get super wrinkled really easily. And also like when you hang something, it creates like a different energy around it, right? You just like want to gravitate differently.
Yeah.
So that's just a little tip.
Love that.
Giving you lots of space between each hanger. That's like one of the best parts about going into a department store is everything's highly curated and there's space between the hangers and it's easy to find things and it's usually in a certain color code and it just makes you feel like you're in a fancy store, but it's your own closet and you get to be super inspired about what you put on every day.
Oh, it's so
and
pretty.
You take that energy with you.
Yeah. And for me right now, I'm in a phase where like I don't want too much busy because my life is so busy. I have 3 kids, I have my own business, several of them, and a relationship, and like just so many moving parts. So to simplify what I'm wearing is just one thing in my life that can just be simple and also beautiful. Like they're all really beautiful. Like I feel like this is like a piece of art, not just because of the way she styled it, but each piece is made with love. And that also comes down to another point, which is where are you getting your clothing? Yes, sometimes in a pinch I'll go to Zara or H&M or something that's like, you know, more corporation and fast fashion, but that's when I'm in a fast place where I need something like, oh, I need a jean jacket for this thing. If I can take my time and I'm gonna invest in myself and a piece of clothing, I'm gonna spend a little more probably to make sure that it's made ethically and beautiful fabrics that make me feel so good wearing them.
Also, there's always the option to buy things secondhand too at stores like Buffalo Exchange or Crossroads or whatever.
If you don't live there, then you can do it online. I have a Poshmark
and ThredUp.
And ThredUp by the time this goes out, we'll have a link to the ThredUp account.
Yeah,
so.
Exactly. And that's another great way to contribute less to the, you know, fashion is the second most polluting industry in the world. So it's another great way to like recycle.
Yeah. Cool, thanks, Dany.
Of course.
I'm so excited. It looks so good. Yay. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Bye.